how to deactivate Agoda listing. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you deactivate Agoda listing. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Agoda with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this option more just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so simply from your tap on host on Agoda Home just at the upper of the top of your screen. Alright, so now from this Agoda Home listing section, you'll be able to see your every listing from here. Like you can see your in progress listing, active or deactivate. So right now I have no any in progress, active or deactive listing from here. So in your case, you might be finding some listing on your in progress or active. So from here to deactive Agoda listing, you'll have to just choose that listing from there, and then after you choose the listing, you'll got options like three dot, or you can simply hold that listing, and from there you'll be able to see options like deactive. So simply from there you'll have to just tap on that deactive option, and from there you can easily deactivate your Agoda listing. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.